Hi guys, here is how you can convert any folder of files to images or videos to hide in Windows 10 and 11. For this video, here is a sample folder I will be using. And I want to hide this folder. Let me open it. Now you can add any images, folders, videos or documents that you want to hide. After this, we'll convert this to a zip file. You can use default zip, but we recommend using WinRAR because you can add password to it. This will add a double protection to your files. If you do not have WinRAR, simply go to this WinRAR website, download and install it. After that, right-click on the folder you want to hide and add to archive. I will leave the name as default. You can save it as RAR or zip file. I will leave it to RAR and set password. Use any password you want. You can also encrypt the file names. OK and OK. So here is the password protected zip file. Let me open it. To access these files, you will need the password. So the zip file only has a password, but we want to hide this as an image or even video. So it will be difficult to find. You can delete this original folder. But please make sure the zip file is working fine. Now let's convert this to the image first. We will also convert it to a video, useful if the file size is big. Now on the address bar, type cmd. So we are inside this folder. And here is the code we will be using. In this code, this sample image is the image which is a fake image for the file. Make sure the extension is correct. This is the RAR file name. I will rename it to hide.rar. Please make sure the extension is correct. And this is the file that will be generated. You can use any name. I will just rename it to hidefiles.jpg. Make sure this extension and this extension matches, as it will be converted to an image file. Let me copy this and on the CMD paste it and enter. Now you can see this is our image file, and if I open this, this looks like a normal image, as you can see. You can also convert it to video if you want. Simply modify this command, rename the image to video name, use the correct extension, and I will change this file name too. Again, make sure the extension is correct. And the RAR file name is the same. Let me copy this and paste it here and enter. And here is our disguised video. And if I open this, it appears as a normal video. Now let's delete the RAR file. I will also delete the sample image and video. So now this is our disguised file, and no one knows what's inside. Now to open this, go to Views and tick this file name extension, and you will see the file extension. Remember, we changed the RAR file, so rename this to .rar file and enter. Yes, and refresh. Here is the RAR file, and open it. And then here are all our files, and it is also password protected, as you can see. Likewise, you can also change the extension of the video to RAR, and this will work all fine. And if you want to hide it again, rename it to .jpg. So now it's an image, and do the same for the video. And now it is completely hidden. And it works as a video, as you can see. And you can untick this file extension. You can do this exactly the same on Windows 11 too, with the same command. To find the file name extension, go to Show under View. Thank you very much.